fellas. Well, we got this Yamaha Breeze that just came in. Guess it got ran and flipped over, and it was running upside down, and now the guy couldn't get it to run. Just cranks and cranks and cranks. So let's diagnose it real quick. Let's see what we got going on here. Get some power. Oh yeah. Definitely sounds like there's no compression. I just popped this loose a second ago. Let's see if the valves are moving. Nothing. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pull this chain cover off and see what we got in here. Almost got the cover off. This can't be good. Check this out. I'd say the chain popped off the crank. Not too good. Not too good. Might have some bent valves. I'm going to go ahead and have to take that motor cover off the side and pop the flywheel off and see what we're working with here. But yeah, anyway, same old junk. Look what I've oh, there's the cat. What's going on, Fuzzy? Say hi to YouTubes. She don't care. She's looking for mice. Fuzzy, you looking for mice? Okay, X65 trike. Getting ready to pull that rake back a bit. Needs to come back about 15 degrees. That's going to set that up a little bit, and I'm going to travel. The wheel's going to come back quite a bit with that pulled back in. I got to notch the top of it, push the top out. That way it's going to give me some clearance for the shrouds, the rad brackets and everything else. But KFX90 plastic's going to work pretty good on here, and the seat. So this thing's going to be cool. I got the motor all rebuilt, just waiting to go back in it. So it's just got to get that pulled back in, and I'll probably strip it all down and repaint the frame, make it look pretty. Yep. Fuzzy, you on the prowl? Down. On the prowl. She's golden cat. She likes hanging out in the garage. Man, I got more junk. Got that CF Moto. I gotta put a fuel pump in it. Already got everything apart. Just kind of waiting on the parts to come in. Take sending unit. Somebody rigged up an external pump. It's freaking retarded. Picked up this thing. Check this out. 250R. Jack. It's funny. Got it cheap enough to where if I can get it running, it'll be a decent little quad. Maybe I'll let Lex ride it. See what happens. Yep. Haven't been doing too much of anything. Running that shop now. Got this thing here. Got these this for the old YXC1000. Got the heavy flywheel weights. It's supposed to help out big time with the low end power. So I got to get them put on. I'm gonna do a video with that. But yeah, just getting ready to do a little bit of work here tonight. I'm gonna start on the 86 Trizy. Got everything lined up. Check that thing out. Old trans van. That's another video in itself. It's pretty cool. But alright, I'm gonna get some work done. See you guys in a bit. I'm probably gonna fall right on my ass. Oh yeah. Is this what he does at 3 o'clock in the morning? Nothing wrong with it. I do that right in town.